Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Abhijit. I am the co-founder of Neural Networks. At Neural Networks, we are developing private 5G networks, and today we are going to show in Bengaluru Tech Summit a demonstration of private 5G. For the private 5G, we have two companies collaborating. One is Lekha Wireless, who is our partner company, and they are taking care of the 5G radios that you see there. Like, these are the 5G radios which are being shown. So these are the 5G macro radios which are being used for radio transmission, 5G radio transmission. Now what happens is that the packets from your mobile, from your 5G phone would come to the 5G radios. So in this case, in Lekha's radio. And from there, all this would go to a 5G core. It's a centralized software from Neural OS. Neural OS is a network operating system software for private 5G and edge compute. So what happens is that all the 5G transmission comes from the radios to this 5G core. And from the 5G core, the packets are converted to IP packets. The IP packets goes to the edge cloud platform for on-premise processing. Like for example, some use cases can be AR, VR, drone analytics, and all other kinds of applications like robotics, etc. But which are for on-premise deployment. Let's say for within an oil and gas plant, mining area, where you need a good connectivity both indoor and outdoor, spread over 10 square kilometer or more, but within that specific area. So you need security, privacy to run your operational applications. So that is where private 5G comes into play, and that is what we are demonstrating today. Neural Networks as well as Lekha are demonstrating private 5G networks in the Bengaluru Tech Summit. Thank you.
This is an X-ray rehabilitation device. This is suitable for patients who are affected with paralysis or stroke. So we have made a design for patient to give a repetitive exercise to them, and we are having like hip movement and lower limb movement, and also we are having upper limb movement. So this hip movement is for like spinal cord injuries and all we can have, and they can give a repetitive exercise. And this is a lower limb exercise which can give for a knee and ankle movement. So you can see that ankle is moving right now. So you can see that angle is moving, that motor is moving now. And this is for upper limb. Our hand will be fixed here, and also it will be moving up and down, and also in sideways. And this motor is also excited so that we can give a forearm movement. And there will be an arm spring here which can give a wrist movement also. And overall, all this data will be sent in the form of IoT using edge device towards the doctor. So doctor will get all the data in the form of like he will have a history of the data of patient, and also he will monitor consecutively based on it.
If it is needed only for legs, can you design and do?
Sorry, sir?
If some person is there who does not any sense of the legs.
Yeah.
For them only it is all the rest of the things is okay to hear.
Yeah, we can make this one alone. We can make this one alone for them. and then based on that they will get action of it. So they don't want to have like daily physiotherapy want to come, then they daily they have to give exercise. Instead of that, like this we can make means we can put and then we can give for 1 hour exercise or 2 hour exercise. They can ultimately they can get exercise, and medical treatment will be going against for them. So this will be like adding support to them.
If that is the case, how much it will cost?
This entire system is costing.
Entire system around-
This alone will be like around if you have made in a chair, small type of chair means, which will be cost around like 8k or 9k, 8,000 or 9,000.
Okay, so this robot is basically like designed by some of our engineers, right? And it has multiple functionalities. So basic usage right now, if you can see here, we have a camera on top of it, so you can get a clear selfie. So it's happening in real time. It's happening real time. If you just stand over here, you can come over here. And if I just click on this, so it will just click the picture in 3 seconds. And then you get an option to send it to your email. So you can type in your email ID. So it will be sent to your like email. And then we have a quiz, so you can play that. You get 10 questions, and if you get them right, then you will probably get a hamper. So that will be delivered to you. So you can try that out if you want.
In which technology is used, sir? About coding?
So this one, so I'm not sure about that because I'm a data engineer. I work in a different field entirely. But like, I'll probably get someone to tell you about that.
Welcome to the quiz.
Yeah.
Please enter below details to know you.
I'm a student, sir.
You can type in your
College name, sir.
you can mention student probably. This information is because like if you win,
Okay, sir.
so you'll get something.
Like what type of questions, sir?
I'm not sure. That is a surprise to us also.
Does Shell have the biggest renewable energy deal in India? Yes.
So we acquired the biggest renewable
Correct answer.
startup.
Great going. Let's try the next one.
Okay.
What is Shell Recharge?
What do you think it is?
Electric vehicle. Correct answer.
Correct
Great
answer.
going. Let's try the next one. Shell is providing electricity to consumers in the UK. Trick.
So
Correct
through this
answer.
quiz, you are
Let's
also
see
learning
the
what
score.
Shell is doing all over the
Yes,
globe.
sir.
So it's not just petroleum or something
Thank you
like.
for sharing your
Oh,
responses.
so it was just 3
You
questions.
gave 3 of 3
Great.
right responses.
So if you win, you'll probably get something. And you can test our AR instruments there, right? So
Yes, sir.
we have, okay. So we have a tablet over there. See, this guy is using, right? So what you do is basically scan the image from the tablet, and so the images are put in various sites that we have all over the globe. And once you scan that, you will get the information of what innovations we are doing, like in that particular site. So as you just like answered in the quiz, so we acquired the biggest renewable startup that was present in India. So if you scan this, so you can bring in the tablet, and you can scan this, you will see the information.
Sir, what AI, which technology AI?
So we work in various domains, ranging from AI or ML to web development to data engineering. So every aspect of technology we are working on. So I suppose that answers your question.
Basically, from which engineers they are, all the engineers are they performing?
See, yeah, so in IT sector, we are getting software engineers. Like basically, you want to know the branches.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me tell you about this. So Shell also has a graduate hiring program. So we go to like multiple colleges all over India, and we hire freshers through campus placements. Basically. So that's going on, and we basically focus on IT and CSE.
Basically, Shell was petroleum. It is in.
So it's not just petroleum now; it's energy. So we are working on all types of energy, all types of renewable sources, be it solar energy, like wind energy, like that. So,
and another side like robotics, IT field.
and we also do research and development on the like currently going on things, so that we can reduce the carbon emissions. So that is also going on, where your ML or AI would come in picture, how to reduce the carbon emissions all over the world.